Hello everyone and welcome to Cavaleiro Cloud Academy. My name is Leandro Cavaleiro and in this videos we're going to talk about Oracle AI Agent Studio. This is the first video in a new series where we will learn how to build AI agents for Oracle Fusion. My goal is to keep everything simple, practical and focus on real business scenarios. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I have more than 14 years of experience working with Oracle ERP, including EBS and Oracle Fusion. During my career, I have worked on implementation projects, support, and process improvement for global customers, mainly in Oracle Financials. So, if you work with Oracle Fusion and want to learn how AI can help you automate the business process, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Over the last few months, almost every company has started talking about AI agents, and Oracle has also made a big investment in this area with Oracle AI Agent Studio, a platform that allows you to build intelligent agents inside Oracle Fusion. But the big question is this just another chatbot, or can it really change the way we work with Oracle ERP? In this video, I will give you a practical and simple introduction to Oracle AI Agent Studio. You will learn what it is, how it works, the main components of the platform, and most importantly, how Oracle Fusion consultants can use it to automate the business process. So if you work with Oracle Financial, Procurement, HCM, SCM, or any other Oracle Fusion model, this video is a great starting point to understand this new technology. Before we talk about Oracle AI Agent Studio, we need to answer one important question. What is an AI agent? Many people think an AI agent is just a smarter chatbot, but there is an important difference. Chatbot usually answer questions, and AI agents receive a goal and works to achieve that goal. The process happens in 5 simple steps. First, it understands the user request and identifies what needs to be done. Next, it creates a plan. In other words, it decides the steps needed to complete the task. Then, it uses different tools. These tools can be Oracle Fusion Business Objects, documents, REST APIs, or even external systems. With all this information, the agents perform the required actions. Depending on the scenarios, it may only read data or it may update the information inside Oracle Fusion. Finally, it delivers the results to the user. This is what makes AI agent different. They don't just generate a text. They can think through a task, make decisions within the rules defined, and automate the business process. Inside Oracle Fusion, this becomes even more powerful because AI agents always respect the user permissions, business rules, and the platform built-in security. Now that we know what is an AI agent, let's see how it works inside Oracle Fusion. Everything starts with a user request. It can be a simple question like, which invoices are more than 30 days overdue? Or it can be a more complex task like, review the pending payments and create a summary for the manager. The first step is to understand the goal. The agent uses a language model to understand what the user wants, even when the request is written in natural language. Next, the agent creates a plan. Instead of answering right away, it decides what information it needs and which tools it should use. Then it follows that the plan using Oracle Fusion Research. It can read business object, search documents, apply business rules, call REST APIs, or even connect to external systems. While it is working, the agent also checks the results. If needed, it changes the plan, runs another search, or uses different tools until it finds the best answer. And finally, it returns the results to the user, depending on the scenario. It may only display information, or it may perform an action inside the Oracle Fusion, always following the user's permissions and the company's security rules. That is what turns a simple question into a smart business action. But for all of this to work, the agent needs the right tools. And that's exactly what we will look at next, the main tools available in Oracle AI. Now that we understand how an AI agent works, let's look at the main tools available in Oracle AI Agent Studio. The first one Use prompts. Prompts define how the agent behaves. They tell the agent what his job is. They tell the agent what his job is, what its goals are, and how it should answer user requests. Next, we have tools. Tools let the agent work with Oracle Fusion and external system. With them, the agent can read the business object, call REST APIs, send emails, and perform many other tasks. Another important feature is knowledge. Here we can provide documents, manuals, contracts, or company policies. The agent uses this information to give more accurate answers that match the business context. Then we have the action. Unlike a regular assistant that only answers questions, an AI agent can perform a real action. For example, it can check an invoice, update a record, or start a business process inside Oracle Fusion. We also have guardrails. These are the agent safety rules. They define what the agent can read, they define what the agent can and cannot do, prevent some behavior, and make sure the agent follows company policies. Finally, we have monitoring. This helps us track how the agent performs in production. We can review metrics, find the issues, misery, response quality, and continue improving the agent over time. The most interesting part is that all these components work together with Fusion. They use business object, documents, APIs, business rules, and the built-in security model. This is what turns a language model into a real AI agent for a business process. Now that we have seen the main tools in Studio, let's take a look at the Oracle Studio interface and see how these components come together. First, you will click in the menu, go down and click on Tools, and here we have AI Agent Studio. This is the studio, and here we have our applications, workflows, research, and research we have the most important features: agents, supervisor agent tools, business object, deep links, functions, a document schema. We have the connectors, document templates, policy, approvals, credentials, monitoring. In our next video, I will enter in details in these resources and create and explain how to create your own AI agent. Okay? Okay. One of the features I think is the most important in Oracle AI Agent Studio is the human in the loop. The idea is very simple. The agent can do almost all the work, but the final decision stays with a personnel whenever needed. Let's look at the financial example. A user requests a change to supplier invoice. The AI agent reviews the request, reads the Oracle Fusion data, checks the business rules, and prepares everything needed to support the change. But before making the change, it can ask for approval from a manager or another authorized user. Only after the approval, the agent continues and complete the transaction. If the transaction is rejected, no changes are made in the system. This adds much more security to important business processes, especially those involving payments, supplier data changes, or any action that may have a financial impact. In practice, human in the loop gives you the best of the both worlds. AI removes repetitive works and speeds up the process, while people stay in control of the most important decisions. This allows companies to automate business process while keeping the governance. So once the agent is ready and running, an important question comes up. How do we know if it's working well? That's where the monitoring and evaluation features of Oracle Studio becomes important. Security and governance. One of the biggest advantages of the Oracle AI Agent Studio is that the security is built into the platform. AI agents do not access information freely. They use the same roles and permissions as the user who is running the action. Every action can also be recorded for auditing. This makes it easy to see who requested the action, which tools were used, and what decision the agent made. This means AI works inside the same business rules and governance already used in the Oracle Fusion. The result is better security, more transparency, and better compliance for the company. Now that we understand how security and governance works, let's compare the two ways to use AI Oracle agents. To finish, Oracle gives you two ways to use AI in Oracle Fusion. The first one is embedded AI. These features are already built into Oracle Fusion. You do not need to develop anything. You simply configure and use features like summaries, recommendation, and native AI agents provided by Oracle. The second one is custom AI. It is for companies that need a custom solution. With Agent Studio, you can build your own AI agent, connect APIs, integration external system, and automate the business process. In simple terms, if the feature you need already exists in Oracle Fusion, custom AI is not the best. Native AI is usually the best choice. But if your business needs special rules or custom integration, custom AI gives you the flexibility to build exactly what you need. This combination lets companies start quickly with Oracle built-in AI features and later create fully customized AI agent as their business grows. This was an overview of Oracle AI Agent Studio. In the next video, we will explore each feature in more detail and build your first AI agent inside Oracle Fusion. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Cavaleiro Cloud Academy to follow this series about the AI in Fusion. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.